welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip is a little bit more cerebral. We're going to be talking about like branching out and trying new things. I don't know if you guys have ever heard the saying, if you always do what you always did, you always get what you always got. And the same thing is true with your art. If you just keep doing the same things that you're already comfortable with, you just kind of get the same results over and over again. So a part of growth comes from trying new stuff, and maybe it's new media, or maybe it's taking a workshop and you find that like this person uses the same kind of supplies but they approach it in a totally different way. And I don't mean like overwhelming yourself with like buying like 18 different things that you know just kind of overwhelm yourself with at once, but it's fun to meet people, find out what they're doing, and then give it a shot, man. Like, don't be afraid. I mean, hey, everybody has a bad day once in a while, but maybe you'll make something fantastic. Like recently, you know, as you know, I met with Ward Stroud when he was here, and he showed me a little bit about Brusho, and I've had a heck of a lot of fun playing with that, and I've had some really kind of fun pieces come out of it. Here's just a couple, but I've found that like for somebody who is as uptight and clenched up as I am in the way that I work, that this is a fantastic way to kind of loosen things up, think outside the lines, and do something totally different for myself that I've never done before. So you should try it. Don't limit yourself. Get out there and try new stuff. Branching out can be good for you, and we are sure that you will enjoy.